Hey Rachel, I hope you're doing well. Okay, so I sent you a link. You're gonna put your link in your browser. I think Firefox is the best. Oh, I didn't. But I'm just in Google Chrome right now. Anyway, click on the link because it has a course key in it that's gonna direct you to the book. Click create an account unless you already have a Cengage account for some reason. I don't think you do. Um, but let me just put mine in here. And then you're going to be linked into the system. Once create an account is going to take you the same way, except I just already have an account. So it actually gives you have 2 weeks of free access to our entire catalog. So if you really needed to, you could browse the catalog here. And if there's anything that you need help with, there's all these study tool packets. I don't know what you're taking or whatever, but there might be chemistry and biology, or maybe not, science and technology and stuff. So, but to access the ebook for this one, you'll go to home. Let's see. It's on your homepage here. I'm the instructor. Just go in here, view. It's actually a whole homework system. So if you, I know you're studying, if you want to poke around and see if anything can help, that's totally fine. But the ebooks built within each chapter. So like there's the ebook here. There are some there are assignments in here if you want to just go through and take some of the assignments. Let's see if there's anything. Okay, there's assignments ebooks here, and then the ebook is on this side here. This ebook is more of a traditional look, whereas this one takes you right to the chapter. And then I don't know if this helps, but there's this thing called adaptive test prep on this side here, because your dad said you have a quiz you're stressing about. Um, and this allows you to just take a test or let's see, I've never looked at this one before. Anyway, I don't usually it's by subject, but anyway, you kind of know what you're you can say maybe this is what you're dealing with right now, take a test. It gives you author generated quizzes based upon that would if you're having a quiz, there's a likelihood that it's going to correlate with that. So you have that there. There's flashcards here if you need to. So if you're doing chapter 1 and 2 right now, you could toggle through this way. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that would help you for this. Basically, no. All the tools that you could use for each chapter are just built within Collapse All, just like that. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any issue getting in, let me know.